Learn real English at a coffee shop. Stop memorizing boring English. Today, you learn how people really speak in a coffee shop. Listen to natural conversations. Discover useful everyday expressions. And repeat after each sentence to improve your speaking and pronunciation. Whether you're a beginner or want to become more confident, this lesson will help you speak English naturally. Stay until the end. Let's start learning English together. Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop. How can I help you today? I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Sure. What kind of coffee would you like? What do you recommend? Our latte is very popular. We also have cappuccino, americano, and mocha. What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino? A latte has more milk. I think I'll have a latte. Great choice. Medium, please. Would you like it hot or iced? Hot, please. Would you like whole milk, low-fat milk, oat milk, almond milk, or soy milk? Whole milk is fine. Would you like to add an extra shot of espresso? No, thank you. Would you like any flavored syrup? What flavors do you have? We have vanilla, caramel, hazelnut, and chocolate. I'll have vanilla, please. 1 pump or 2 pumps? Just 1 pump. Would you like sugar? No, thanks. How about whipped cream? No, thank you. Would you like something to eat? Yes. What do you have? We have croissants, muffins, cookies, sandwiches, and cakes. Which muffin is the most popular? The blueberry muffin is our best seller. I'll take 1 blueberry muffin. Would you like it warmed up? Yes, please. Anything else? Do you have fresh juice? Yes, we have orange juice and apple juice. No, thank you. That's all. Is this order for here or to go? For here, please. May I have your name? My name is Alex. Thank you, Alex. How much is it? Your total is $8.50. Can I pay by card? Of course. Here you go. Thank you. Please tap your card. Done. Your payment was successful. Can I get a receipt, please? Certainly. Here you are. Thank you. Great. I'll wait. Please have a seat. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, is there free Wi-Fi? Yes, there is. What's the Wi-Fi password? The password is Coffee 2026. Thank you very much. My pleasure. Can I sit near the window? Of course. Perfect. I like the view. It's a nice place to relax. I agree. Alex. That's me. Here's your hot vanilla latte and your warm blueberry muffin. Thank you. It smells wonderful. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, could I have a glass of water? Certainly, I'll bring it right away. Thanks. Here you are. Thank you so much. You're welcome. The latte is delicious. I'm glad you like it. The muffin is soft and fresh too. We bake them every morning. That's great. Would you like anything else? Maybe another coffee later. We'd be happy to make one for you. Do you have decaf coffee? Yes. Good to know. We also have tea and hot chocolate. I'll try the hot chocolate next time. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. The coffee shop is very clean. Thank you. We work hard to keep it clean. Your staff is very friendly. That's kind of you to say. I come here often because I like the atmosphere. We're happy to have you here. I finished my coffee. Did you enjoy everything? Yes, everything was excellent. We're glad to hear that. Can I have the bill? You've already paid. Oh, that's right. No problem. Where should I leave my tray? You can leave it on the return counter over there. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. You too. Thank you for visiting. See you again soon. We look forward to seeing you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.